Hello everyone, my name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, oh crap, I don't know what I'm making today. I just want to show you guys this cool app I found on the App Store. I don't know if it's on Android, but it's on iPhone. It's called Cocktail Flow. Yeah, because I have no ideas what to do. It's been a crazy week. I know I have Fernet Branca. I love this stuff. A lot of people hate it. They say it tastes like Listerine. I guess, but it's supposed to be really healthy for you. Good for your stomach, good for your digestive system. It is a digestive liqueur from Italy, so yeah. But I love it, and I want to make a cocktail with it. Usually I just either shoot it or drink it straight, shooting it responsibly, of course. People always hate me when I give them this stuff. But yeah, this app is really cool because you tell the app what ingredients you have, and it'll give you recommendations of what cocktails. So ingredients, I put down, I have Fernet Branca. So for cocktails, I'm just gonna search Fernet. No, that's not how you do it, I guess. You go under the cocktails tab, then you search Fernet Branca. Oh, perfect. And it gives you a list, little description, tells you the ABV, which is here in the US, it's 39%. I don't have the premium subscription. There's like different cocktails if you want to pay a monthly fee, but I have a ton of books, so I'm not gonna do that. Here we go. Here's the cocktail I have ingredients with. Ooh. It is called the Upper West Side. It shows you the ABV of this cocktail. So it says strong 28%. Tells you the ingredients, the tools you need. It says equipments. So the ingredients that we'll need are gin, Sweet Vermouth, Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur, Fernet Branca, and Angostura bitters. Equipments or tools. We need a mixing glass, bar spoon, strainer, and cocktail glass. And it tells you the source, and this is from Tales of the Cocktail. Perfect. And it tells you how much stuff you need, how many ounces, and then garnish with mint leaves. We'll be right back. Now we're back with all the ingredients. I didn't want to just, silence. Okay, the Upper West Side. It's really cool because with this app, depending on where you live, you can choose between milliliters, centiliters, ounces, and parts. I live in the US, so we use ounces, and for parts, I think that's pretty cool because you don't have to do any math. If you want to make big batches of cocktails, you can just do parts. And you can also choose the servings. So let's get started. First, it tells us that we need, I was about to do 6 ounces of gin. It said I had parts on. Okay, first what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of gin. I'm using Beefeater London Dry, the best versatile gin out there. So 1.5 ounces. Then we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of Sweet Vermouth. Just a reminder, if you have Sweet Vermouth, Dry Vermouth, any type of, lower ABV, aromatized wine, make sure you refrigerate it because it can go rancid if you don't. So we're gonna do 3/4 ounce Sweet Vermouth. I'm using Martini and Rossi. Lots of Italian ingredients. And then we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of Luxardo Maraschino. Just make sure y'all can see the label. So about 1/4 ounce of that. And then we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of Fernet Branca. My favorite, other people's enemy, I guess. Okay. Oh man, you can really smell it when you pour it. Or even when you open the bottle, you can smell it. And then we're gonna do 1 dash of Angostura bitters. If you have a Japanese bitters dasher like me, you can do like 2. Okay, perfect. And then what we're gonna do is add our block of ice. Ooh. And we're just gonna stir. The app doesn't say how long to stir. I'm assuming you wanna do it until it's nice and chilled and a little diluted. The nice thing about using a rock of ice rather than just, ice cubes is that it dilutes less and it gets cooler easily. So you don't have to worry about it getting over diluted. Perfect. Now we're just gonna get our chilled cocktail glass. And then we're just gonna strain into it. Goodness gracious. Let's put this here. We're just gonna strain it. Ooh, nice spray. Perfect. And then it says to garnish with mint leaves. So just a little sprig of mint. But there we have it. What is it? Oh my goodness. The Upper West Side. Let's give it a sip. No. This is one moment. Okay, now we're back. Let's do this. Okay, just a little clip on it. Let's give it a sip. Interesting, interesting. Ooh, that's good. A lot of people might not like it. So at first you definitely get the sweet vermouth, and that really follows by the juniper with the gin. Then you get that nice licorice, minty flavor from the Fernet Branca, and I don't really taste the Maraschino Liqueur. It's more of a, you can smell it. It's more of a aroma. And having a fresh sprig of mint really helps bring out the different flavors in the Fernet Branca. So the chocolate, I think it's chocolate, I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely not for everyone, but it is definitely for me. So make sure, everyone, that you give this video a thumbs up. You hit subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, everyone, have a safe week, have a safe day, and see you at the next one.